Hello, everyone. My name is Kayvon Shardar. I'm the president of Shardar Enterprises. And today I'm excited to showcase a groundbreaking Python program we've developed that harnesses the power of ChatCPA framework and ChatGPT. The program is designed to translate natural language questions into precise SQL queries, making it easier than ever to retrieve data. Let's dive into some examples. So here, for example, we want the account ID 9 in the general ledgers table. What is the balance week to week for the month of October each year in the database? So what this does is it converts this into readable SQL and then sends it to our SQL server, and then we get the reply back. So basically, this, what I just stated, means select date part as you see here, which is complicated, and it sends this information to the database, and this is what it replies with. So as you could see, for example, you could see week to week what the balances are, and then here, obviously, we have a week here that has somewhat of a higher balance than normal. So, and that sets us up for the next question, which is when we move into our second query, can you show details for account 9 in general ledgers table for the week 41 of the year 2018? Now, something interesting popped up in week 41. We observed that the balance was notably higher than the usual trend. Deep diving, our program highlighted that a loan was written off during this period. This explains the unusual spike in the balance. Now, lastly, we want to know what the variance amount is between years of account ID 9 in the general ledgers table week to week for the year 2003 and 2004. With this, we can pinpoint the differences in balance for account ID 9 comparing each week between 2003 and 2004. This comparison provides valuable insights into the account's financial trajectory. In conclusion, this Python program is a game changer, and we just developed it in Python, but we're going to convert it and put it into our chatbot, which will be able to get access from Slack or from Microsoft Teams. This makes data retrieval intuitive and efficient. No longer do you need to be an SQL expert to fetch detailed financial data. You just simply ask and the program delivers. Anyways, thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from our team.